Hello everyone. So I'm sorry I'm late from analyze from live streaming. So there's something the aftershock by earthquake with 5.9 magnitude. So it means coastal water in Surigao del Sur or Siargao. So it means the coastal water in Davao. So these are the Davao Trench. So let's pray from this one the affected by earthquake in the Philippines. We're here from this one in this analyze of these games in US Championship 2025 or 2025 US Women Chess Championship. So two games analyzed. So today's is round number 4. So it means long game or round robin. And also have a between from this grandmaster in USA is Irina Crash. So Irina Crash was a 41 years old. So she was focusing by master in this USA in chess here. And also versus my favorite players by woman grandmaster in USA is Jennifer Yu. So after the first game, so next second game, so between by close friends between Alice Lee versus Carissa Yu. So in this part of this video, in this round number 4, and also having analyzed of the standings after round number 4 in women's Swiss. So white plays crush is c4 English opening, e6u, d4, d5, knight c3, knight f6, and also captured. So it means, so what is called this one? Oh, so it means it's called by Queen's Gambit decline exchange. So exchange variation. So what is called by exchange variation here? And also bishop g5 by this one the pins, or without pins the queens, or threats the knights here, and also bishop e6 by you, and also e3 by crush, and also knight bd7, bishop d3. So it means by next move by knight to f3 or knight to e2 here. So it means move controls here, and also c6 by you, and also h3. So it means without no more by bishop to g4 here, and also bishop e7 by preparing castling by you here from this one, and also bishop f4, g6, and also knight f3 by crush by castling coming here, castling inside, and also knight h5 without threats the bishop, so without tempos attacks, and also bishop h2. So it means these are a new move by crush novelty. So these are the old main lines here by this one by recording here by bishop to e5, castling, or maybe bishop to h6. So it means no more castling. So no more castling here because these are the without targets here the bishop h6. So it means new, so new good novelty here. So it means novelty by new move is bishop backwards h2 by crush. So out of this booklet novelty. And also castling king side by you, and also queen c2. So what the plans by crush? Oh, so choose by castling king side or castling queen side. So how do you choose by crush by castling? And also decided rook e8 by you, decided castling queenside by crush, so it means we need more castling queenside, and also b5. So what the plans here? Oh, without move next by a5 here, and also pawn g4 by attacks the knights, and also knight g7, king b1 by need force move by Irina Crush here, and also rook c8, and also knight e2. So it means without idea by this one knight to g3 or maybe knight f4. So that threats the bishops here. So need more next targets move here, and also c5 by you, captured knight takes, so it threats the bishop, and also knight ed4. So it means so knight ed4 by here. So it means no, so no, so 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 need more by this one by move. So it means without knights here, threats the bishop here, and decided this one is b4. So what the plans? Oh, that move by this one by b3 by u. So it means threats the queens, and also decided queen e2 by crush, and also queen b6, rook hg1, bishop d7, and also h4. So it means without h4. So it means these are the move controls by crush. So it means does not one of these computers sacrifice. So it means pawn h4, bad move. So it means so the one's computer the best moves this one is knight to e5. So knight e5 here. So without need more threats the bishop here. So etc etc. These are the slightly good slightly betters from that advantage from whites here. So it means backtered by h4 by crush, and also knight ge6 without attacks the knights here, or maybe without next by captured here, and also bishop e5 without move controls, another bad move by crush. So the best moves this one is bishop to b5. So bishop b5, so it means so without threats the bishop. So if you capture this bishop, so it means threats the queens. So no need from captured by queen takes bishop, because these are the no more captured here. So it means so only bishop by captured by blacks here. So it means these are the good slightly advantage from whites here. Whites and blacks from this one. So it means so bishop e5 by crush, and also captured queen takes. So without captured by queens here, and also knight c5 without attacks the queens by eliminates by disturb the queens here, and also queen e2, and also f6 by u threats the bishop, bishop h2, and also knight e4. So it means without knight e4 by u, and also need more king a1 by crush here, and also rook c5. So without idea by this one the battery. So it means so bad move. So the best moves there this one is b3. So so b3, oh b3. So b3 here. So b3, so it means so these are the highest evaluation bar by blacks. So these are the slightly betters from blacks here. So back there, rook c5 by u, and also pawn to g5. So without push it, so it means brand x move by crush. So it means the best moves this one is knight to d2. So knight d2 here. So if you capture this knight captured here, and also queen captured. So queen captured, so it means these are the slightly betters from whites and blacks here. So slightly betters. So back there this one by g5 without push by crush, and also bishop backward c8, captured bad move. So the best moves there this one is h5 sacrifice. So it means so do not capture this one, captured pawn. So captured check. So without check, so rook without check, so it means traps the bishop. So it means do not by eating the captured the pawns here. So it means be careful from this one by captured. So back there captured by threats the bishop captured, and also h5 sacrifice. So it means do not capture this pawn captured without check, rook captured check here. So rook without check. So check here, and also good move by bishop a6 by Jennifer Yu without threats the queens here, and also queen e1, and also bishop to c4. So it means what the plans here? Oh, without next by queen to a6. So queen a6 without threats the mating net. So without threatening mating nets from these controls by connecting here, so it means target by attacks mating net. And decided this one is captured pawns, and also h6, so it means so no need by capture the pawns here. So it means, so if you capture this one, pawn captured, do not capture pawn captured. So it means check. So check here. So it means do not capture the pawns. So it means need more Jennifer Yu is h6 here by this pawns by Yu. And also knight d2. So what the plans here? Oh, so I don't know what the controls here. So no need by plans here. So it means knight d2, captured, queen takes, and also rook a5. So rook a5 by Yu without upcoming by threats the pawns or check. So without checks here, and also pawn a3 captured, and also decided push b3. So no need by capture the pawns because so it means so do not capture this one. So do not capture pawns, so it means check. So no need by this one. So avoid by capture these pawns. So be careful by eating by capture. So need more focus concentration by respect by chess here. So it means h b3. So it means sorry. So b3. So b3 by crush. So threats the bishop. Bishop captured threats the rooks. And also rook b1. So without pins the queens here. Without threats the bishop. So these are the attacks. And also rook b5, and also queen c3 without more captured by bishop, so threats the bishop. And also a5, and also rook c1, and also pawn a2 attacks the rooks, rook b2, and also pawn a4, and also bishop c7 by crush without threats the queens by Yu. And also decided queen b7 by Yu threats the bishop. I don't know what threats the bishop. And also bishop d6, and also rook b6 attacks the bishop, and also bishop a3, queen g7 without attacks the pawns. So queens threats the pawns here, and also rook d2, bishop c4, and also rook b2. So rook b2 without rook to rook here. And decided this one is bishop captured without threats the queens, pawn captured bishop, and also rook captured pawns. So it means, so how many pawns? So 2 pawns by Crush and 4 pawns by Jennifer Yu. So it means, so how many clocks within 12 minutes and 31 seconds by Crush, and almost 5 minutes and 27 seconds by Jennifer Yu. So it means, so these are the lowest clocks here. And decided this one is rook d2, and also rook g1. So without rook to rook, without attacks this one by rook to rook, and rook dd1 without attacks the rooks here, or without doubles, without rook pairs here. And also rook g2 ignorance by threats the pawn, so it means that's not one of this computer by this ignorance by Jennifer Yu. So the one's computer, this one is decided rook captured. So rook takes d1. So if you capture rook takes d1, so it means these are the need more captured by rook to rooks here. So back there is rook g2 by ignorance by Jennifer Yu without threats the pawns. And also bishop d6, rook captured, another bad move by Yu. So the best moves this one is rook e2. So rook e2 by need more threats the pawns or defense. So defense here. So these are the slightly betters from blacks here. So back there, this one is rook captured pawns, and also bishop e5 attacks the queens. queen g6, rook g1. Oh, without rook g1, threats the queens or check. So how do you control by? So without queens, so cannot move by this one, but about the queens here. And decided by good move by Jennifer Yu is rook g2. So need more, protects the rooks here. And decided rook capture, queen takes, and also queen e3. So it means good move by Jennifer Yu. So what the plans by Crush? Oh, without idea by rook g1. Threats the queens or queens without check. So it means without queens cannot move by queens here. And decided by this one by Yu is king to h7. So it means so need more king moves here. And also rook g1 without threats the queens. So the guessing puzzle. So what do you think about the idea with the focusing by brilliant sacrifice by WGM Jennifer Yu by Beautiful. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. So brilliant. Rook f8. What? So it means brilliant by Jennifer Yu. So rook f8, brilliant sacrifice. So it means it means rook captured. If you're captured by rook captured queen here and bishop here. So I don't know what this one by this next move here. So it means bishop f1. So it means lose from blocks here. So it means so rook f8, brilliant sacrifice by Jennifer Yu. So sacrifice, strong move. And decided bishop g3. So mark grade bad move by Crush here. So it means so question mark bad move. So it means so the best moves this one is bishop to f6 here. So these are the sacrifice. So it means sacrifice if you rook captured bishop and rook captured queen. So it means lose from blocks by Jennifer Yu. So I don't know what this one. Ay. So it means so bishop g3 by Crush and good move by Jennifer Yu is queen captured g1 check. And also without queen takes accepted and rook f1 check. So without rook f1 check or without check and this one the drops the queens here and decided queen captured and bishop captured. So these are the slightly opposite color bishop. So slightly opposite color bishops here. And also king captured h5, king a3, bishop b5 without defense the pawns, without kings, without threats the pawns or because the bishop defends. And also king b4, bishop backwards e8, and also bishop e1, king g6, and also king c5, a3. Without without move by this one push or promotes by a1 queen. So these are the I love slightly opposite color bishops here. And also king captured pawns and also a2 almost there without promotes the a1 queen. And also bishop c3 by no more by a1 queen because these are the bishop. And decided by king f5 and also king c4, h4 almost by promotes the queens here. And also king b3 without threats the pawns and also last shot by h3 because without upcoming the push or promotes the queen. So it means so give up by Grandmaster Irina Crush. So it means why she give up because if you move by king captured pawns only move and also h2 and also moved by king b2 and decided by promotes by h1 queen. So unstoppable by promotes here, so it means fatal. So it means congratulations by this winner by Woman Grandmaster Jennifer Yu by USA. So next up, the second game between by close friends by Alice Lee versus Carissa Yip. So next up, the second game. Next proceed of this one. So the next second game by close friends by round number four. So it means between from this international master in USA Alice Lee versus international master in USA is Carissa Yip. So very close friends in this each other too. So in this part of this video, you have analyzed of this second game. So white plays Alice is d4, knight f6, Carissa c4, g6, king's Indian defense. Oh wait, so it means, so these are the main lines here by this one by e6. So it means East Indian defense here. So it means, so g6 by this one by upcoming by dark square bishop by bishop to g7 by Yip here, and also g3 g3 because the upcoming by light square by bishop g2 by Lee, and also bishop g7 without preparing castling by Yip here, and also bishop g2 castling by Yip, and also knight c3 d6, and also knight f3 by preparing castling by Alice Lee, and also c6. So c6 here. So what the plans are without move by this one by d5 here, and also castling by Alice, bishop f5, and also knight e1. So book lines here, found in these book lines, and also e5 and decided push. So it means, so if you capture this pawn here and also captured without upcoming this, it's likely queen to queen. So if you move by capture this one and decided rook captured. So these are the easy good examples here. So it means, so decided by Alice is push d5. So no need by captured. So these are the pawns captured this one, upcoming by attacks and captured knight takes. So knight takes here, and also knight takes captured, bishop captured, and also knight c6 and knight c2. What the plans by Alice? Oh, decided by next maneuver is knight to e3, threats the bishop here, and also rook c8, b3. So these are a novelty by Lee. So the recording by old main lines knight to e3 here. So old main lines here. So knight e3 is old main line. So it means, so b3 out of this booklet by Alice Lee, and also pawn e4, rook b1, knight to e7 threats the bishop, and good move knight e3 by Alice Lee by decided threats the bishops here, and also bishop h3 threats the rook. So it means that's not one of this computer by Yip. So the one's computer, this one is queen to d7. So queen d7 is slightly better from blacks here. So slightly better. So it means bishop h3 and rook e1, wrong move by Lee. So the best moves this one is bishop captured b7. So threats the rooks. So threats the rooks. If you bishop captured rook here, and also bishop captured rook. So if you queen takes bishop, queen takes bishop. So easy advantage from whites and blacks here. So easy advantage here. So back there is rook e1 by Lee, and also knight captured, queen takes without threats the pawns, rook e8, another bad move by Yip. So the best moves this one is bishop to e6. So bishop e6 need more threats the queens here. So threatening the queen. So these are the good slightly advantage from blacks here. So slightly advantage here. So rook e8 by Yip, and also bishop b2 without bishop to bishop, bishop captured, rook takes, and also rook c rook c6 by no more by threats the pawns here, and also rook d2 without queens behind the rooks, and also a6 by next by this one, the I don't know what the pawns here. So it means so stay the pawns, so it means a6 by Carissa Yip, and also queen backwards d4 and bishop e6, and also triple battery rook e d1, and also queen c8, and also queen f6 by Alice Lee, and also pawn b5, rook captured without rook to rook takes, and also captured, and also h5. So without more by h5 by this one by Yip here, and also rook h4, and also queen b8 by Lee. So what decided by without plannings? Without move by queen b1 without targets that check. So these are the checks, and also rook d2 blunderacious by Lee. So it means without best moves is rook d1. So it means more this one ba the defense here by no more by queen b1, because these are the rooks here. So need more defense here from this one. So it means so rook d2 blunderacious by Lee. So very fastest here. And good move by Carissa. So it means so guessing puzzle. So good move by Carissa Yip. So guessing puzzle. So while waiting for couple for seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here. Queen b1 check. Congrats for everyone. Good move by Carissa Yip. So without check. And king h2 by Alice Lee, and another good move by Carissa is queen e1, strongest by Carissa Yip. So very dangerous the whites by Alice Lee. So without threats the pawn, so without check. And this one queen threats the rook. So very dangerous from whites by Alice Lee, and decided this one is rook b2. So rook b2 here, and also bishop f5, another third good move by this one by Yip here. So very strongest here. And also knight g2 threats the queens. Queen captured pawns, and also e3, and also queen f1, and also c5, queen c4, and also queen d4 without queen to queen, and ignorance by the queens by Yip. So what decided this one? So why don't we queen captured, and also captured pawns? So need more captured, so it means determinations here. So it means so queen c1 by this one by Yip here, and also knight f4, rook c8, good move by Yip, and also knight d5. So what the plans here? So it means next by maneuvers knight to e7, threats the rooks, and bishop. Threats the bishop. So threats here. So double attacks. And also queen captured without queen to queen, and ignorance by Alice Lee, good move. And also bishop e6 attacks the knights, and knight f6 check, king f8, knight h7 check, king g8, knight f6, king f8 on knight h7, king g8 on knight f6, king f8 on knight h7 check. So it means many rap songs. So it means draw. So draw by same draw by this one, the round number 4. So the score by this one, the Alice Lee, is 91.7, and the score by black by Carissa Yip is 91.5. So the winner International Master Alice Lee, congratulations. So I will next have this analyze from round number 5. So between Jennifer Yu versus Rose Atwell. So I hope this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Luagi 17, aka I call Mark 17. Have a good day, keep safe, and keep updates of this next chess updates. I will analyze of this round number 5 soon. So have a good day and bye bye.